Welcome back to Gearstorm. Today we're stepping into a world that blends the outrageous performance of Lamborghini with the ultimate in luxury travel. Yes, you heard it right, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Known for their supercars that dominate roads and racetracks, Lamborghini has shocked the automotive world by entering the motorhome market, and as you'd expect, it's no ordinary RV. It's a masterpiece of design, performance, and opulence that pushes the boundaries of what a luxury motorhome can be. Let's explore it in detail, from the front and side design to the interior, bedroom, kitchen, lounge area, performance, and price. The front exterior immediately screams Lamborghini. The design is sharp, aggressive, and aerodynamic, with the brand's iconic Y-shaped LED headlights and a bold hexagonal grille that connects this giant machine to its supercar siblings. The massive windshield sweeps up dramatically, almost like a fighter jet cockpit, giving the driver commanding visibility. Sculpted lines flow down the body, and large air intakes not only serve the purpose of cooling but also emphasize the Lamborghini DNA. On the sides, the profile is sleek for a motorhome, featuring retractable steps, carbon fiber side panels, and massive custom alloy wheels that make it look more like a futuristic land yacht than an RV. The Lamborghini badge proudly sits front and center, reminding everyone this isn't just a motorhome, it's a raging bull on wheels. Step inside, and the story only gets better. The interior is designed with the same attention to detail you'd expect from a Lamborghini supercar, only scaled to motorhome proportions. The cockpit features a driver-focused digital display, Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, and leather seats with Lamborghini stitching. Move further in, and the lounge area takes your breath away. Think plush leather sofas, ambient LED lighting, panoramic side windows, and a sound system that transforms the space into a private theater. Every inch oozes Italian craftsmanship. The kitchen area is sleek, modern, and functional. Fitted with high-end appliances, including induction cooking surfaces, a built-in espresso machine, and smart storage compartments, it combines practicality with Lamborghini style. Glossy carbon fiber accents and stainless steel finishes make it look like no other motorhome kitchen. The bedroom is where Lamborghini adds true comfort. A king-size bed wrapped in premium fabrics, mood lighting, and even a skylight create a serene space for rest after a long journey. The attention to detail continues with crafted side tables, hidden storage, and climate control designed for ultimate relaxation. The washroom is equally luxurious, with a rainfall shower, marble-inspired surfaces, and high-tech fixtures that make it feel more like a spa than a motorhome bathroom. It's compact but designed with maximum comfort in mind. Performance-wise, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is on another level. It's powered by a hybrid V12 system producing over 1,200 horsepower, giving this massive machine acceleration and speed unheard of in the RV world. Adaptive air suspension, torque vectoring, and advanced aerodynamics ensure stability and performance even at highway speeds. Despite its size, it still delivers the thrill of driving a Lamborghini. As for the price, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome starts at an estimated $4 million, with bespoke customization options easily pushing it beyond $5 million. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of ultimate lifestyle and extravagance. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Gearstorm, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews of the world's most exciting machines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.